Oh no! What have I done? Bro, what are you doing, man? Nothing. I'm just dyeing my hair. That is not hair coloring, bro. Yes, man, it is. I just dyed my hair, but I messed up, man. Well, if it's really dye, man, then I have the perfect remover wipes for you that you need to have. Here, take these. Remover wipes, hair color stain remover from Herbishh? Yep, from face to neck and hands. It's great for all skin types, it's non-irritable, and it removes all types of dyes. Really? Let me try this out then. Oh my god, they smell like heaven. But do they really work? Let's try. Wait, let me see in the mirror. Oh my god. Bro, it's gone. My my hair stains has been successfully removed. Thanks, bro. Whatever, man. It's Herbishh. Quit playing.